Hello dear friends and family, hopefully things are fine and you are very welcome to my video. This is Porosh here today. So guys, can you guess where I am right now? Yes, I am at Sohrawardi Uddan in Dhaka. Okay, just have a look. In this place you will find so many old vehicles, as you can see. And today I have come here with my friends. In the morning I went to my college, and after completing my college, some of my friends told me, Porosh, how about visiting Dhaka today? Consequently, 30 minutes earlier we have come here, and we already explored Dhaka University while we were coming at this place. That time we explored Dhaka University, and Dhaka University, it's a large area, and those buildings were so beautiful, and for many youngsters Dhaka University is like a dream for them. Okay, so now I'm here, and if I show you, maybe you are being able to see my friends back of me. No, right now they are not available here. Maybe they are very busy with taking photos and selfies. Okay, yes. And if I talk about this place, as you can see, there are so many trees available. It seems to me I am in a village, but the interesting thing is I am recording this video, I am capturing this video somewhere in Dhaka, and it's very close from Shahabag, right? It's so beautiful place. Yes. And one of our friends, Abrar, found this place, and then he told me, friends, I have a great place for taking selfies, would you like to come? And then we actually came to this place, and right now my friends are very busy with taking selfies, and I am very busy with making videos. And wherever I go, I always try to make videos, because making video is a great way to improve myself, improve my language proficiency. Yes, this is the thing. Yes, and Sohrawardi Uddan is also a famous place. Here our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, on 7th March 1971, he gave the historic speech. And after his speech, many Bengali people came forward, and they fought against Pakistan, and they won against mighty Pakistan in 1971. Yes, so this is the thing, and it's really great, right? I'm working in Dhaka city, and I'm also trying to record a video. Yes, okay, I can see from here my friends are waiting for me. They are calling me. Okay, and I'm just working here. Yeah, it's really great. So if you really want to learn English, you can also describe new places in this way. You will learn so many things, and you will, practically, if you learn English practically, it will be beneficial for you. And this is something that I have been doing from when I started my journey, and this is the most common thing for me. Yes, so just have a look at the place. Oh my God, there are so many old vehicles. Most of the vehicles are damaged here, and it's like a garbage spot for me, right? Yeah. Okay, so this is the thing. Yes, it's so great. As you can see, I'm taking my college bag, and I'm working here and also speaking English. It's really, really fantastic. Yes, and tomorrow is Friday, and I have a plan for tomorrow that I will go somewhere, and I will try to share some of my experiences, some of my ideas tomorrow in the morning. And I will go with my friend Sakib. I already told him that, friend, if you do not have any problem, if you are free, then tomorrow we are going to somewhere in a very beautiful place, and then I will try to share some of my ideas with my audience, because it has been a long time I'm not making a video, topic videos. So this is the thing. Yeah, as you can see, right? Okay, all right.